This literature kit on The Girl Who Drank the Moon by Kelly Barnhill is easy to use and not too overwhelming for student comprehension. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Tap into prior knowledge and pre-teach vocabulary with the Before You Read section. Put yourselves into the mind of the villagers to determine why they would continue to sacrifice a child each year. Pause, ask questions, pause, and review with the After You Read section. Become familiar with unfamiliar words by determining their root word. Identify similes and metaphors used in the chapters. Give time to talk with the suggested journaling prompt. Students imagine having Luna's magical powers and brainstorm ways they would use it. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as drawing the map that Luna created using detailed descriptions from the chapters. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Identify key vocabulary words from the novel using synonyms, antonyms, and word associations. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.